Introducing Hyundai SmartSense Level 2 ADAS safety features. This unique technology uses radar and cameras to always keep you safe by keeping a watchful eye on the road. This latest technology is being introduced in 4th generation Tucson. Lane Keep Assist uses the front camera to detect lane drift and provides audio-visual warnings followed by steering correction to keep the vehicle in line and avoid accidents. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist with junction turning detects any oncoming vehicle while turning right and assists by automatically braking at the right time. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance helps to mitigate a chance of collision with vehicles in rear blind spot when changing lanes by giving a warning and then by braking. Driver Attention Warning will detect and alert you if your attention is low while driving and suggests to take a break. If there is a vehicle approaching from the rear side when the doors are opened, the all-new Hyundai Tucson detects this and sends a warning message and sounds off an alarm. Rear Cross Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist warns you if vehicles are crossing by while you're reversing. If you miss the warning, it also automatically applies the brakes to avoid collision. Smart Cruise Control adjusts not only speed but also forward distance. So when the car in front stops and goes in 3 seconds, your car also stops and goes ahead. Lane Following Assist function helps you easily drive in the center of your lane. High Beam Assist detects light from oncoming vehicles and automatically dips between low and high beam, enabling you to focus on the road. Lead Vehicle Departure feature alerts you when the vehicle ahead starts moving if you do not react quickly enough. The all-new Hyundai Tucson is not just another SUV. Its SmartSense with Level 2 ADAS keeps you protected all the time.